In this video, I will show you how to change the perspective on any frame in Figma in less than a minute. So let's dive into it. The first thing that we're gonna do is search for the plugin called Perspective. This plugin is very simple. First, we need to select the frame and we have horizontal and vertical axes. If you want to change the angle, just drag the slider left or right. We can also reset the position back to 0. Let's also try the vertical slider and reset it. There is also a couple of presets available. Let's try a couple of them and reset. So that's it. I hope you like this fast tutorial.